If we are to train someone to be the best and at least to make them capable of living every day, we need someone who will never give up on a particular person. Mahirap maging mabuting manlalaro, artista, pare, empleyado, estudyante, na hindi natin tinatanggap ang mga sinasabi at mga patunay ng mga tao sa paligid natin, at kung tayo din ay hindi nakakatanggap o nakikinig sa mga taong ito. And sometimes the guidance of those people around us has to be strong and firm. Walang coach na tuturuan tayong maging malambot o sabi nga natin, palemya-lemya na lamang sa larong ito. Tuturuan niya tayo mainly by being kind, but sometimes he or she has to do and speak honest and sometimes vulgar and painful words. If we are to examine St. Paul and Jesus in our readings today, Paul was speaking to the Thessalonians as Jesus was speaking to the scribes and the Pharisees with no buts and ifs. Mga walang kahiyahiyang mga salita. No sugar-coated words. Paul reminded them how night and day they've been working for them. Jesus, as we continue his address to these groups, would speak to them and at least train them to hear honest and true words from them. Dahil ganyan po ang tapat na leader. Hindi takot magsabi, hindi takot maghubog ng isang tao, hindi sumusuko kapag hindi nakakakita ng improvements. People who never give up. And how was this true to Saint Augustine that we all celebrate today? He may have prayed, "Late have I loved you, O beauty ever ancient, ever new." But all throughout his life, God was already working at him. Sa panahon na ginawa niya yung pinakamadilim, yung pinakamabigat na kasalanan, right there and then, God was already working at him. Paul never gave up to his communities. Jesus never gave up to those against him. To make out of the best of Augustine, God never gave up on Augustine. Hindi sinukuan ng Diyos si San Agustin. With the life of Saint Augustine, I am very much sure that there is no such thing as hopeless. Kaya lamang natin nasasabing hopeless na itong asawa ko, hopeless na itong kapatid ko, hopeless na ako, dahil ang dali po nating sumuko. Ayaw nating magbigay ng todo nating pagmamahal at ng todo nating pag-iintindi sa bawat isa. If we wish for the best of others, do not give up on others. God wants the best from you because He never gave up on you. Naging maayos, matatag at magandang tagapagturo si San Agustin kahit sa kanyang madilim na nakaraan dahil hindi sumuko ang Diyos sa kanya. Hindi siya sinukuan ni Monica. Hindi siya sinukuan ng mga tao sa paligid niya. Kaya nakita natin ang the best version sa kanya. We just need to listen and feel how the Lord can be honest and at least be vulgar through and with the people around us. We have each other to burst out the best in us. We have God and we have each other because we do not give up on each other.